Good morning, students. So in last classes, I have completed with the squares and I have started with square roots. And you know what is the difference between squares and square roots? You know how to denote it, the square roots, is it not? So I have solved in last classes the few example problems, and this class let me start with exercise. That is exercise 5.3. So, first main it is, what could be the possible ones digit of square root of each of the following numbers? So, your first number is 9801. So, here last digit is 1. So, you know 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square it is 49, 8 square it is 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square it is 100. So you know 1. So last digit ending with 1. Which are the square numbers? That is 1 and 9. 81 and here 1 square is 1. So you have to write it is 1 and 9. Okay. So 1 square is equal to 1 and 9 square is equal to 81. Now we'll go to next number, that is 99856. So last number, once digit there was, so 6. So here 4 4s are 16 and 6 6 are 36. Any other number? Last number is 6 here. No, it is 4 and 6. So write here 4 and 6. 4 square is equal to 16. 6 square is equal to 36. Next. 998001 and fourth problem 657 666 Okay, these two numbers you have to take as homework. See, nothing, you have to see the ones digit in the question and see in square numbers, the last number should be this number. Okay, ones digit what it is given, no, here 1 is there again. Again the answer is 1 and 9 for this. So 1 square is 1, 9 square is 81. Here 5 is given. So you have to see, check the 5. That is 5 square. Only one number. You have to write here 5 and 5 square is equal to 25. Hope all understood. Let me go to the next main. Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect square. You know, without doing the calculation only you can find out whether the number is perfect square or not. How is it possible? I have explained you in the first class when I started the chapter squares and square roots. That is, you have some properties. Is it not? That is what? 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Don't include 0 also. 1, 4, 6 and 9. Whether the number ends with these numbers, then it is said it is a perfect square number. Understood? So let us see, without seeing the numbers, you have to, without calculating, you have to find out whether the given number is a perfect square number or not. Okay, here, see, last number is ending with 3 here. Any 3 is here? No. To be a perfect square, numbers, the last digit should end with 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. So there are no numbers here, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, except the fourth one. These three are not perfect square numbers. Hope all understood this, student. These all the three are not perfect square except the fourth number, because here last digit is ending with 1, and if last digit is ending with 1, then it is a perfect square. See here, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, again repeating 6, 9, 4, 1, like that. And it has to be 2 zeros, not the single zero, if it is a perfect square. Hope all understood the second main. Now, find the square roots of 100 and 169 by method of repeated subtraction. There is another method. See, you have to find out the square root of 100. You know what is the square root of 100? That is 10 square. See, by repeated subtraction, that is 100 minus 1, it is 99. Again the result, 99 minus 3. Why 3? All the prime numbers you have to take. 1, 3, 5, and then 7, 9, like that. Okay? Odd numbers. Okay, you are taking. What? 99 minus 3, you will get 96. And again 96 minus 135. 96 minus 5, it is 91. And 91 minus 7, it is 84. And 84 minus 9, it is 75. And 75 minus 11, 10, 9, 10, 11, odd numbers, it is 64. And then till you get the number 0, no, you have to solve. That is 64 minus 13, 11. After 11, the next odd number is 13. You will get how much? 51. And 51 minus 13, 14, 15. So it is 36. And 36 minus 17, it is 19. And 19 minus next 17, 18, 19, it is 0. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many times you have subtracted the things? It is 10 times. So the square root of 100 is 10. Square number is what? 10. Understood how to do this? See, student, by repeated subtraction method, this is also another easy method to find the square number. See, they have given a square root of 100. So what you are doing? 100 minus 1. Okay, that is all the odd numbers you are subtracting, and the result is 99. And with the result 99 minus 3, you will get 96. 96 minus 5. You have to do all the odd numbers, subtract with the results with the odd numbers. So you will get finally 99 minus 99. You can try for any other numbers also. So you will get this by repeated subtraction method. 99 minus 99 is 0. So you have to count how many times you have repeated the subtraction. You have repeated 10 times. So it is 10. The square root of 100, it is, the square number is 10. Hope all understood this. Next thing, they have given for 169. So you have to find out. You all know it, for square root of 169, the square number is 13. So by repeated subtraction method you have to do, and that will be your homework problem. Okay. Homework problem is for 169. See, this will be your homework problem. For 169, you have to find out. Okay, find out the square number. Okay, next, coming to fourth problem. Find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. I have explained the example sums in the last classes. That is 729, the number is given. So you have to prime factorize it. That is 729. The lower number, from the lower number you have to start. That is from 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, and 9 it is not. So go for 3. For 3, if you do, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 2 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. Again with 3. 3 8s are 24, and 3 1s are 3. Now, directly with 9. 9 9s are 81. Or else you can do for 3 also. That is 3 2s are 6, 2 carry, 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So here, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 6 times you have solved. That is, you have prime factorized 3 cross 3 cross 3 cross 3 into 3 cross 3. So here you have the pair numbers for 3. So once you have to write 3 cross 3 cross 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27. So the square root of 729 is, or the square number for 729 is, it is 27. Hope all understood this, students. How to find? Let us solve few problems so that you will understand better. Okay. Okay. Now 1764. What all sums I will do here, no? That sums, it's for, you have to write in notes, and even the other sums also you have to write in notes. But whichever I didn't do here, you take that as homework problems. 1764. Now try to solve by prime factorization method. 1764. It is again from 2 1s you have to do. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry. 2 8s are 16 again. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. Here 1 is there, so go for 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 carry. 3 4s are 12. 2 carry. 3 7s are 21. Again by 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 carry. 3 9s are 27. Again 7 7s are 49. You can do for 3 also. No, 3 you can't do. 3 1s are here, 1 carry, 19 it will become no. So directly 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. So your pair numbers are 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 7 cross 7. So here 2, 3 and 7. 2 cross 3 cross 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2, 1700 and Yes, 42. 21 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 42. So 42. Square root of 1764 is, square number is 42. Understood how to solve this? Easy, right? Okay. Now, next number. Five nine two nine. So here 5929 do from 3. 3 ones are 3 because last number is 9 here. 3 ones are 3. 4 5 2. 3 nines are 27. 27. Again 27, 28, 29. 3 sevens are 21. 1 it will become 19. So you can't do. So next 9 will come for 49. That is for 7 table it comes. So go for 49. Sorry, 7. 7 ones are 7. No, one number you can't take. You have to choose two numbers. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 63. 7 nines are 63. Yes, 7 eights are 4, and here again it is for 56, 57, 58, 59. Six, 7, 58, 59, 39. So 7 are 7, 14, 17, 7 4 are 28, 35. 8, 4, 7, 7 sevens are 49, and again okay, and again 121. The square number of 121 is 11. 11 11s are 11 ones are. So it is 7 cross 7 into 11 cross 11. It is 11 into 7, 77. Understood? Okay. Coming to next main. If I think here some problem is there, just check it once, students. I'll do that sum in next class. Okay. Rest all take it as homework problems. Now, for each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find square roots of square numbers so obtained. See, the number here is under fifth one, first problem, the number given is 252. How you will solve this 252? See, first by prime factorization method, 252 you solve. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. 1 carry, 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. And again by 3. 3 twos are 6 and 3 ones are 3. 3 nines are, 3 sevens are 27. 7 ones are 7. Here there are no pair. There is no pair for number 7. Okay. In the heading they have given here, it should be multiplied. the smallest whole number. By find the smallest whole number, you have to find out the whole number, and it should be, the number should be multiplied. That means here there is no pair for 7. Write down, there is no pair for 7. So what you have to do here is 7 cross 251. In the heading they have given multiply. So you are multiplying it. So you will get 7 into 252. You will get 1764. Okay. Now you solve 1764. You will get the pair numbers. That is, from 2 you start. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. Again 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 carry. 3 4s are 12. 2 carry. 3 7s are 21. 3 4s are 12. 2 carry. 3 9s are 27. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. So you got the pairs. That is 2 cross 2 cross 3 cross 3 cross 7 cross 7. So 2 cross 3 cross 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2, it is 42. That is, what is this? 2 cross 3 cross 7. Here what you have did here is, if you prime factorize this number, you will be not getting the pair numbers. So that pair number to which there is no pair, you have to multiply with this number. So you will get some number, that number you have to factorize, and you have to find out the square number for that number. Hope all understood. We'll go to the next problem. Okay, 180, the given number is 180. So you have to find out the square number for that 180. So 180, 2 9s are 18, 0, 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 1s are 3, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So it is 2 cross 2 into 3 cross 3 into 5. 2 3 5. There is no pair for 5. So you have to multiply this number with 5. 180 into 5 you do. 5 zeros are 0. 5 8s are 40. 4 carry. 5 1s are 5. 9. So 900 you will get. That number prime factorize again. So from 3 if you do, 2 only you do. 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Again from last digit is 5, so do 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So you will get here all the pair numbers, that is 2 cross 2 into 5 cross 5 into 3 cross 3. 2 5 3. So 2 cross 5 cross 3. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. The square number is 180. Yes. 30. Sorry, not for 180. It's for 900 you are doing it, right? You didn't get 180. 180 is not a perfect square then. So 900 is a perfect square. So for 900, it is 30. Understood, students, how to do now? Okay. Next problem. Two zero two eight. Find out by prime factorization method 2028. So it is 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. You are taking two numbers here. So put 0 in the middle, 2 sevens are 14. 3. 3 ones are 3, 2 carry. No, you can't. So we'll try for 3 ones are 3. We'll do for 7. 7 sevens are 49. So 1 you will get. No, you can't. So 5 not 7. So here what you can do, with which number this is done? 2, no. 7 also no. 3 is also no. So by 13 if you do, 3 ones are 3, 4, 5, 2 carry. Okay. 3 ones are 2 carry. 3 eights are, 3. 3s are 18. Again 2 carry. 3 nines are 27. Again directly 13 13s are 13 ones are. So 2 cross 2 into 3 cross 13 cross 13. So here 3 has no pair. So what you have to do here is 3 has no pair, and here multiply this number 2028. So you will get 6084, and 6084, do it. So 3s are 6, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are again like this only 169, 13 13s are 13 1s are. Okay. Okay, yes. Now it is, you got the pair numbers here, 2 cross 2 into 3 cross 3 into 13 cross 13. So 2, 3, 13. So now 2 cross 3 cross 3, 13. Once you have to multiply. 13 3s are 39. 39 into 2, if you do 18, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6, 7, 78. So the square number for 6084 is 78. Hope all understood this, student. Understood how to solve this problem? Like this, you have to do rest all problems as homework. Okay. In next class, I'll be teaching you how to divide. Same like this only, but here instead of multiplying it, you have to divide the thing. Okay. I'll start that thing in next class. Thank you, students. Hope all understood and you are solving the problem. It's all basic, as I told you in the earlier classes. You have to be thorough with the squares and square roots, square numbers. Till 20, you have to be thorough. Understood? Hope all understood. Thank you, students.